All right, y'all, so as we get ready for the holiday season, listen, I understand, especially as millennials, going through the trouble of gutting your bird, defrosting it for 2-3 days ahead of time, and all of that stuff just for your turkey to possibly come out dry. Who got time for that? So look, what we got is some fried turkey wings. So we got a zesty herb flavor with a hint of lemon up in there. Look, all the ingredients to make this will be in the description box below, and then make sure you hit that subscribe button if you ain't already subscribed to the channel. If you are, then share the video with 3 to 5 people that you know will love this recipe. And then make sure you tap that notification bell so you can be kept up to date with the recipes coming your way, all right? Well, let's get it.
I do my thing in the kitchen. My name is Cord, I'm for the culture, and I'm here with a vision. We here to talk, chop it up. They say the odds are stacked against us. We ain't seen that bet. And the things we do in kitchens, y'all ain't seen that shit. Yes, Lord, let me talk. Listen, man, we here for a good time, not a long time. Matter of fact, we here for a great time. You now turned into Kitchen Culture Podcast.
With your turkey wings, it's kind of a little bit hard to cut through these at the joint and everything. So what I like to do is, you know, find where the drum meets the flat. Boom. So we're gonna cut where we broke at, and it'll make it a lot easier to go ahead and separate these. So go ahead and get your knife, and we're gonna just cut where we broke at. So with a sharp knife, it should come out pretty easily. Boom. There you go. Drum and you're flat. All right, so now we're gonna make us a quick little injectable marinade. So what we got, we get you some hot sauce, and we're gonna fill it up to about 3/4 cups. Yeah, we need a lot. And some mesquite liquid smoke. And then one last thing, we're gonna add us a little bit of zesty herb in the mix. And of course, make sure you mix that in real good. Go ahead and get your injector. Go ahead and fill that thing on up real quick. And with each of your turkey wings, just go ahead and poke it on up. Get us a nice little BBL. Work that liquid around so it gets all throughout the inside of that turkey wing. Okay, and then just repeat with the rest of them. So we're gonna hit these turkey wings with some yellow mustard. You can use spicy brown mustard, Dijon, whatever. But that's gonna be our binder for our seasonings. Come through with some of that Tony's. Garlic powder. Smoked paprika. Onion powder, unsalted lemon pepper. I had to emphasize that just for the simple fact of we want to get that lemon herby flavor, but yeah, we don't need to be adding extra salt to this. Cayenne pepper. Now go easy on that. I mean, unless you like your turkey wings spicy, go easy on that. And then we're gonna add some of my counter slap zesty herb seasoning. So this is a good low sodium seasoning, tons of flavor. It's kind of like a zesty ranch type of vibe, you feel what I'm saying? Grab you a bottle while you can through the description box below. All right, now we're gonna get us about 2 heaping tablespoons of some cornstarch. This is gonna help just make that skin a little crispy on the outside. All right, go ahead and mix all of this around. Make sure every single turkey wing has seasoning all over it, okay? We don't want nothing bland. Go ahead, rub that seasoning on over it, you know what I mean? Don't leave nothing behind. All right, now, so to really lock in all that flavor that we done worked on building, what you want to do is go ahead and let this marinate for at least 2 hours, all right? Overnight if you really got the patience. Ooh, yeah, I'll see y'all in a few. So while waiting on that to finish up, you gotta tap in with my cookbook, Kitchen Culture, all right? The best big bag cookbook on the market. I mean, it ain't all big bag recipes. It's like a good 3 vegetable recipes. You know, I kind of felt like I overdid it a little bit, but just let me put you on real quick. So it's all sorts of recipes up in this thing. So you got some buffalo chicken sliders up in there, honey chipotle garlic shrimp, you know what I mean? Cocktails, hey, that's me. Some basil garlic lamb chops, deep fried ribs, you know what I'm saying? It's all sorts of stuff in here, from deep fried goodness to holiday meals, mac and cheese, cocktails. The possibilities is endless. But look, grab you a copy of the book through my YouTube shop or hit the description box below. But back to the recipe though. All right, so go ahead and drop your turkey wings in some 350-degree oil. Tease that oil and wake it up real quick first. Drop that on in. I'm gonna suggest that you do all your flats together and then all your drums together. Now, the best oil to fry these in is gonna be either your peanut oil, you can also do avocado oil or grapeseed, or vegetable oil, you know, that's cool too. All right, so we're gonna let these go until they're nice and golden brown. So we're gonna let it go for about 8 to 12 minutes, just depending on your stove. Take that out of that grease. Ooh! Alright, so now once they're done, we're gonna go ahead and set this on the wire rack to rest, and then we're gonna work on our drums. Okay, now fresh out that grease, go ahead and hit it with a little bit of that zesty herb over the top of this. Boy, tender, juicy. Listen, especially for one of them people that don't like to make the whole turkey, they're just gonna go crazy in a fraction of the time. Yeah. If you can find you some turkey wings this holiday season, you got to grab you some of these. Really, they good for any time, you know what I'm saying? But, oh yes, Lord.
Yes, Lord, let me talk. You tuned into the Chef Core in the kitchen. We here for a good time, not a long time. Matter of fact, we here for a great time. Yes, Lord, let me talk.